Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Headlight Switch Replacement. A simple guide to fix your lights. Have you ever turned on your headlights only to find they're stuck in the wrong position? A malfunctioning headlight switch can be a major headache, affecting both your visibility and safety on the road. When the switch fails, you might end up with dim lights, flickering beams, or no lights at all, issues that can quickly escalate into dangerous situations. In this video, we'll explore why your headlight switch is crucial for safe driving and what signs to look for that indicate it's time for a replacement. You'll learn how to identify common problems with headlight switches and the straightforward steps you can take to replace them. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just looking to save some money on repairs, understanding your headlight switch can make all the difference in keeping you and your passengers safe. Understanding headlight switch functionality. A headlight switch is a crucial part of your vehicle's lighting system. It controls when your headlights turn on and off, ensuring you see clearly while driving at night or in poor weather. By understanding how these switches work and their components, you can better appreciate their role in keeping you safe on the road. The headlight switch consists of several key components that work together seamlessly. The switch mechanism is the part you interact with. It can be a simple knob or a lever, allowing you to control the headlight's settings. Wiring connects the switch to the car's electrical system, carrying the electrical current needed to turn the lights on or off. Some modern switches include a circuit board that helps manage more complex functions, like dimming or switching between high and low beams. A relay may be present to manage the higher electrical loads so the switch doesn't have to handle all the current itself. These components work together. When you turn the knob or flip the lever, the switch sends a signal through the wiring to light up the headlights. Types of headlight switches. Headlight switches come in various types, each serving different needs. Manual headlight switches are the most basic. You turn them on and off yourself, giving you full control. They are easy to use and reliable. Automatic headlight switches turn your headlights on and off without your intervention. They use sensors to detect light levels, making it convenient, especially in changing weather. Multifunction switches may control fog lights, daytime running lights, or turn signals all in one unit, saving space on your dashboard and simplifying your driving experience. Understanding these different types can help you choose the right switch for your vehicle or know what to expect if you need a replacement. By being aware of how headlight switches function and the components involved, you can ensure your vehicle's lighting system operates efficiently, providing safety and visibility when you need it most. Signs you need to replace your headlight switch. Noticing issues with your headlights? It might be time to take a closer look at your headlight switch. This small but vital component controls the lighting in your vehicle, and problems may signal that replacement is necessary. Here are some signs to watch for. If your headlights exhibit inconsistent operation, such as working sporadically or failing to light up at all, it's a major clue that something is wrong with your headlight switch. If your headlights flicker, turn off unexpectedly, or fail to light up, this inconsistency could put you and other drivers at risk. Think of it like a light bulb on the verge of burning out. One moment it shines brightly, and the next, it dims. If you notice your headlights acting this way, it's best to address the issue before it leaves you in the dark. Modern vehicles come equipped with a variety of dashboard warning lights designed to alert you to issues. If your headlight switch is failing, you may see warning lights indicating problems with the electrical system or the headlights themselves. Keep an eye out for a headlight warning light, which may look like an icon of a headlight. If it turns on, take it seriously. A flickering battery light can also suggest electrical issues linked to the headlight switch. Although a check engine light is not always directly related, it's worth checking if this light comes on too. Ignoring these indicators can lead to more serious problems, so don't brush them aside. Visual inspections can reveal a lot. If you notice any wear and tear on the headlight switch itself, it's a strong indication you may need a replacement. Look for cracks or breaks, a sticky or jammed switch, and discoloration. Just like a worn-out pair of shoes can make a walk uncomfortable, a damaged headlight switch can compromise your safety on the road. Don't hesitate to replace it if it shows signs of physical damage. Pay attention to these signs, and you can help ensure your headlights work when you need them the most. Tools and materials needed for replacement. When it comes to replacing a headlight switch, having the right tools and materials is essential. This task requires a few common tools that you may already have at home, along with specific replacement parts. By being prepared, you can complete the task smoothly and efficiently. To start, you'll need some basic tools to aid in the replacement process. Gather screwdrivers, both flathead and Phillips head, pliers, wrenches, wire strippers, and a flashlight. Having these tools ready makes the job easier and less frustrating. Think of them like a chef's knife set. Without the right tools, cooking can quickly become a challenge. Next, let's talk about the replacement parts. It's crucial to choose the right headlight switch to ensure compatibility with your vehicle. Consider OEM headlight switches from brands like Dorman or AC Delco for perfect fit and reliability. If you're looking for budget-friendly options, aftermarket brands like Standard Motor Products and Hella provide good alternatives. You might also need a wiring harness if the old one is worn out, which you can find on websites like RockAuto or AutoZone. Don't forget to have spare bulbs on hand, especially if you notice any issues with your headlights. Brands like Sylvania and Philips are known for their high quality. We've covered the basics and the importance of your headlight switch. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll walk you through the step-by-step replacement process. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.